You've been following something that has been referred to as a human rights report from a group called the Panaramic Group. We've been looking deep into the report. Don't get it wrong. If someone has claims to human rights abuses, irrespective of the status of your organization or whether you got one at all, we pay attention and we'll look at it and see what we can find out and what we can do about that. But our check shows that this group has a lot of questions to be answered. They provided addresses that are inconsistent with the facts. They've used different addresses in the communications they sent to U.S. officials versus what is established on places that you can check them on. But most importantly, because we've talked about this before, if a group claims in their report, one of the things they accuse the country of is that there is an issue with ethnic cleansing in Liberia. And just ordinarily we're wondering, does he even understand what ethnic cleansing is? What is the ethnic group that is being cleansed in Liberia, as he's suggesting? Who's doing the cleansing? Does he have any clue at all as to what he's talking about? If you check further, Panaramic Group, as he calls it, exists as a business entity, though very inactive. No functional website, but from a business entity to a quote-unquote human rights group. Wrote Congressman Jack Smith, wrote the current Secretary of State Marco Rubio, and made all the claims, including that ethnic cleansing is taking place in Liberia. For the good of the general public, this is what constitutes ethnic cleansing: the expulsion, imprisonment, or killing of an ethnic minority by a dominant majority in order to achieve ethnic homogeneity. What is the minority group here, ethnic group here that is being cleansed? They've been killed, they've been imprisoned. And all of the definitions you see, they've been expelled from Liberia. What is that group? And what is the minority ethnic group that is doing that to them for the purpose of achieving what the definition says? So somebody just woke up from their bed in the morning, took pen and paper, wrote trash, and referred to it as a human rights report. You have all the right to disagree with your government. When you attempt to deliberately tell lies just to destroy the reputation of your own country, a country you claim to be attached to, it's an act of evil. And we have an obligation to expose the evil individuals who try to get involved with unleashing evil against the Liberian people and the Liberian state.